ॐ हनूमत्समावेताय हरीशाभीष्टदायिनी वालिप्रमथनायास्तु महाधीराय मङ्गलम्. In his search for Sita, Rama was initially clueless. Jatayu had told Rama that it was Ravana who abducted Sita. But Rama did not know the whereabouts of Ravana. They were wandering without any direction when Kabanda asked them to make friendship with Sugriva and told them the directions to reach his place. En route they meet Shabri, who gave them specific directions to meet Sugriva. Making friendship with Sugriva was important for Rama for several reasons. First, they were both sufferers. Both were banished from their kingdoms. They both were separated from their wives. For Sugriva, it was the same person, his brother Vali, who had caused both these troubles to him. So, they were sailing in the same ship. Second reason why this friendship was necessary was Vali, the formidable brother of Sugriva. He was more powerful than Ravana. In fact, he had defeated Ravana in their previous encounter. But Ravana tactfully had made a pact with Vali, where they both had agreed to help each other in time of crisis. So if Rama had to face Ravana, it would be necessary for him to stop Ravana from approaching Vali for help. That was possible only if Sugriva was in Rama's side. If Vali was killed suddenly, entire Vanaras would have waged a war against Rama since he was an outsider. So Sugriva had to be befriended. Then the Vanaras would make Sugriva the king after Vali's death, and the entire army of Vanaras could be deployed to search Sita. The biggest strength of Sugriva was his control over his people. In fact, even today, the strict orders from government are called Sugrivajne. There was no way anybody could have neglected his words. He was an efficient administrator. His words carried weight and his orders were followed without fail. He also commanded a huge populace of Vanaras who could cover the entire earth. No place in the earth or above was beyond their reach. Ravana was no ordinary opponent. Though he stayed in Lanka, there was no guarantee that he would keep Sita there. There was a possibility that Sita could have been kept in some other safe place other than Lanka just to mislead people who would come searching for her. So it was not possible for a conventional army to search for Sita. It demanded a special force, and Vanaras fit the bill completely with their skill set. For all these reasons, friendship with Sugriva was important. Their relationship was bridged by Hanumanta. One can see the shining glory of his character during his introduction episode itself. The way Hanumanta talks to Rama and Lakshmana makes Rama appreciate the quality of Hanumanta. His words, stance, pronunciation, voice, mannerisms, everything was observed by Rama carefully. He lavishly praises Hanumanta and asks Lakshmana to be careful in his reply. It is very interesting to note that Rama does not speak to Hanumanta directly for a fairly long time in Ramayana. Rama, typical to his nature, was observing rules of protocol. Since Hanumanta came as a messenger, Rama ensured that Lakshmana should talk to him. Rama reserves his conversation with Sugriva alone. Friendship of Rama and Sugriva was formalized with fire ceremony. Their friendship was mutually beneficial. By making friends with Sugriva, Rama demonstrated that he had a strong acumen for strategy making in times of crisis. The task of finding Sita was very complicated. It was not possible for Rama and Lakshmana alone to complete this task. Even Bharata would have been of very little help. This impossible deed demanded an outlandish idea that was accomplished by Rama through his friendship with Sugriva. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यां परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः को ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु.